Hello children, welcome to Aksharda Public School's learning platform. Hope you are doing well. Today we are going to solve worksheet number 5, activity number 125, topic My Body. Let us start with activity number 1. Circle the word that matches with the picture. Learning outcome. Through this activity, you will be able to identify pictures and circle to its name. One has been done for you. Look at the first picture. Here I have given 3 options. You have to circle its name like this. In the same way, you have to complete this activity. Activity number 2. Match the body parts with the pictures. Learning outcome. Through this activity, you will be able to identify body parts and label them correctly. 2 have been done for you. Now, look at the picture and label the parts given in the space. Look at this body part. Can you guess its name? Yes, head. Let us write in the box. Hair. Now, look at this body part. Can you tell me what is the name of this body part? Yes, very good. Eye. Let us write in the box. Eye. In the same way, you will have to identify the remaining body parts and label them correctly. Let us move to activity number 3. Tick the right answer. Here, you have to tick the correct answer and write it in the blank given in the sentence. One has been done for you. Number 1. I have dash. Here I have given 2 options. 2 eyes, 3 eyes. Tick the correct one. Yes. And write in the given blank. Like this. I have 2 eyes. In the same way, you have to complete this activity. Activity number 4. Write the words in ABC order. Here I have given some words. Let us read them first. You repeat after me. Leg, arm, ankle, mouth, finger, chest, thumb, knee, hand, face. Now, you have to write these words in alphabetical order. For example, ankle, arm, chest. Why I have written ankle first, arm second? Because A is the first letter and N comes before R. So, that is the reason I have written ankle first and arm second. In the same way, you have to complete this activity. Let us move to activity number 5. Write the functions of sense organs given below. Nose, tongue, skin. You have to write the functions of these sense organs in the given space. And your homework is complete the worksheet and share with your teacher. Thank you.